In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SVG files to sell on Etsy. We'll start by opening your preferred SVG design tool. Affinity Designer and Canva work great, and if you want a free option, Inkscape is a solid choice. Create a new document and set it up for vector work. As you design, focus on simple shapes and clean paths. For cutting machines like Cricut or Silhouette, every shape should be a closed path so the machine knows exactly where to cut. Avoid stray points and overlapping lines that can cause jagged cuts or unexpected results. If your design includes text, be sure to convert fonts to outlines, also called creating curves or converting to paths. This prevents your customer's computer from substituting a different font if they don't own the one you used. It also makes the file more reliable for cutting. And a quick but important reminder, only use fonts, graphics, and design elements you're licensed to sell. Avoid trademarked characters and logos to keep your shop compliant and your listings safe. When you're happy with your design, save it as an SVG. Give it a clear, descriptive file name so buyers know what they're downloading. If you're offering multiple SVGs, compress them into a single zip file to make delivery easy and to stay within Etsy's upload limits. This also helps prevent file corruption during download. Next, open your browser and head to the official Etsy website. Log into your account. Click your profile photo and go to Account Settings, then navigate to the Listings section and choose the option to add a new listing. Select Digital as the category and continue. Etsy will ask for a few details. Confirm whether the item is a physical product or a digital file. Indicate who made it, what it is, when it was made, and how it was created. Then proceed. Add a clear, keyword-rich title. Upload a photo that represents the final look of the design. Mock-ups work well for digital files. Then upload your SVG or the zip if you bundled multiple files. Write a helpful description that explains what's included, how the file can be used, and any compatibility notes. Set your price and inventory. Under Attributes, choose relevant details such as primary color, occasion, and holiday. Add accurate tags and materials to improve search visibility. If shipping details apply, set them here. For digital files, Etsy handles instant delivery. Specify your return and exchange policy, and choose whether to renew the listing automatically or manually. When everything looks good, click Publish. Your SVG is now ready for customers to discover and download.